Have you ever felt nervous before speaking English at your workplace?
Yes, especially on the first day. I don't know how to talk to my boss or colleagues.
Then this video is for you. Let's practice real conversations you can use on your first day. Have you ever felt nervous before your first day at a new job?
Yes. Actually, I remember my first day very clearly. I couldn't sleep the whole night.
Same here. My hands were shaking, and I kept thinking, what if I say something wrong in English?
Exactly. That was my biggest fear. Not the work, but speaking.
Let me tell you something interesting. On my first day, I made a small mistake, but it taught me a big lesson.
Really? What happened?
When I entered the office, my manager said, "Good morning." And I got so nervous, I replied, "Good night."
Oh no, that must have been embarrassing.
Yes, but you know what? He smiled and said, "Relax. It's your first day." That moment made me feel comfortable.
That's nice. So, what should we say on the first day?
Let's start simple. When you meet someone, just say, "Hi, I'm Jason. Nice to meet you."
Hi, I'm Jason. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. Then you can add, "I'm excited to start working here."
I'm excited to start working here.
Good. Now imagine you meet your manager.
Okay.
Hello. Welcome to the team.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
Great answer. Simple and confident.
What if I don't understand something?
Very important question. Never stay silent. You can say, "Could you please explain that again?"
Could you please explain that again?
Or even simpler, "Sorry, I didn't understand."
That's easy. I can say that.
Exactly. Remember, nobody expects perfection on your first day.
That makes me feel better. What about talking to colleagues?
Keep it friendly. For example, "Which team are you in?" Or, "How long have you been working here?"
How long have you been working here?
Nice. And if they ask you something?
I can answer simply, right?
Yes. For example, "I just joined today." Or, "This is my first job."
This is my first job.
Perfect. Now let's talk about a real situation.
Okay.
On my first day, I was afraid to ask questions, so I stayed quiet and made more mistakes.
That happens to me too.
Then one colleague told me, "If you don't ask, you won't learn."
That's true.
From that day, I started asking simple questions.
Like what?
Where should I save this file? Can you help me with this task?
Can you help me with this task?
Good. These small sentences build confidence.
I think confidence is the biggest problem.
Yes, but confidence comes from practice, not perfection.
That's a powerful line.
Let's practice a full, small conversation.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hi, you're new here, right?
Yes, I just joined today.
Welcome. Which department are you in?
I'm in the marketing team.
That's great. If you need any help, feel free to ask.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
Perfect. That's a natural conversation.
This feels easy when we practice like this.
Exactly. English becomes easy when you use it in real situations.
I'm starting to feel more confident now.
That's the goal. Not perfect English, but confident communication.
I like that.
Before we finish, let's repeat some key lines.
Hi, I'm John. Nice to meet you. I'm excited to start working here. Could you please explain that again? I just joined today. Can you help me with this task? These sentences are very useful. Yes. Use them on your first day, and you'll do great.
Thank you. Now I'm not scared anymore.
That's what I wanted to hear.
I feel a lot better now. Before this, I was really scared about my first day.
That's normal. The first day always feels difficult in your mind, but in reality, it's much easier when you start speaking.
I think my biggest problem is overthinking.
Exactly. You don't need perfect English. You just need simple, clear sentences.
Can we practice more situations?
Of course. Let's imagine your manager gives you a task.
Okay.
Can you complete this report by today evening?
Yes. I will try.
Better answer. Yes, I'll do my best to complete it.
Yes. I'll do my best to complete it.
Good. That sounds more professional.
What if I can't finish the work on time?
Then be honest. Say, I need a little more time to complete this task.
I need a little more time to complete this task.
Perfect. Honesty is always better than silence.
Sometimes I feel shy to ask for help.
That's common. But remember, asking questions helps you grow faster.
So what should I say?
You can say, "Can you guide me on this?" Or, "Could you help me with this part?"
Could you help me with this part?
Nice. Now, let's try another situation. Talking during lunch break.
That's scary too. Small talk is hard.
Keep it simple. For example, "Can I join you?" "Can I join you?" Then you can ask, "Where are you from?" "Where are you from?" Or, "How long have you been working here?" "How long have you been working here?" Great. See, simple questions create conversations.
Yes, it's not as difficult as I thought.
Exactly. The key is to keep it simple and natural.
What about ending the day?
Good question. When you leave, you can say, "Thank you. See you tomorrow."
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Or, "It was a great first day. Thank you."
Perfect. That leaves a good impression.
I feel like I can actually handle my first day now.
You definitely can. Just remember, confidence comes from practice.
Yes, and I think practicing like this really helps.
Before we finish, let's do one full conversation again, from start to end.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hi, are you new here?
Yes, I just joined today. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Which team are you in?
I'm in the design team.
That's great. Let me know if you need any help.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
Good job. That was smooth and natural.
I feel more confident now. I think I can speak without fear.
That's the goal. Don't aim for perfect English. Aim for clear communication.
Thank you for helping me. This really changed my mindset.
You're welcome. Keep practicing every day, and you'll improve faster than you think.
I will. See you in the next practice.
See you. Keep speaking and keep growing.